Hello everyone, so how's everyone doing? Let's see what the cards say for you today. Now, this is for those who are going to take card 1. This is for those who are going to take it as card 2. So I'm going to keep this down here separately. So that's your card 1 and card 2. Card 1, card 2. Connect with your divine, connect with the higher self and see what you want, what they want you to select as. I shall give you all 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 seconds, sorry. Okay, so now let's open the card 1. Now, before I take you all through the reading, it would be great if you all can leave a message as to how you are resonating with the readings. Yes, I know 3-4 people are regularly, leaving a message. That's very sweet of them to encourage me and to keep me updated, but many of you are watching it. It would be really great if you all can leave a message as to how it is resonating with you all, what it is that you feel when you see the guidance of the day, and in that ways it would also make me happy that so many of you are getting good guidances from the reading and you are able to resonate with it, and it will encourage me to bring in more such detailed readings also. Okay, now coming to this card, Awakening, a beautiful card. If you see a lady, a very pretty lady coming out of the cup. Now that's a water fountain basically. If you see, that's a water fountain and she is coming out of the water fountain. Somehow I have started liking these cards, though as I said, this is the first time I was opening these cards. I have already done one day prediction with this. Okay, now coming to this card. The card talks about what is things that you are stuck with your past life or with your past. You need awakening. You need to see what has to be done, that you come out of all these issues, you come out of your past. Because when I see this card, to be very very frank, when I am seeing this card, I feel this lady is letting go of everything here. She is dumping everything here in this vessel and she's coming out blossoming beautifully, and that blossoming is actually very very pretty. And if you see the color, if you see this outside color, it has stars, it has green color, more like a healing, more like a beautiful abundant energy. So I would suggest, come out of things that are troubling you, that are disturbing you, and move forward in life. Today maybe something is there which is actually running behind in your mind and it is troubling you. Let go of it and understand one thing, that only when you let go you can see positive things in life. Today also I'm bringing card of abundance. See, a beautiful card has come, letting go. So somewhere, this is why I keep saying again and again, I love doing card readings, because such an apt card has come, let go. Here when I see this card, I feel as if Lord Shiva is telling, just focus on me, let go of everything. I am there to take care of you, and I am there to love you and bless you. I am there to hold you, whatever it is that is putting you down, and I am there to take care of you. So let go of it and be happy. Today, if you have seen this reading on the beginning of the day, burn a white candle or burn a lamp and dedicate it to Lord Shiva and tell him, Lord Shiva, I surrender everything to you that is happening today. You take care of it and you be there with me for the whole day. Now coming to card 2. My favorite, Ice Queen. I actually like the card because of the beautiful horse. Introspection, self-analysis. Now here, if you see here, this lady who's sitting there, she's not sitting, basically she's standing, but there is a white light in her hand. Can you see the white light? Now here I feel she's trying to see what has happened and why it has happened. She's trying to see the reflection. Now I'm taking it closer. There's another one lady closer. Can you see that? There's a lady down. So that is also a way to say that is her shadow self. She knows that there is a situation which is happening. So maybe there's a situation happening and you're confused as to what you should do about the situation. You're confused whether you should keep it hidden or you should come out open in the world and accept that yes, this is what it is and I'm ready to live with it. So if there's something which is hidden inside you and this is your darker self, accept it, work towards it, call on the beautiful unicorn, and I'm sure it's going to help you to achieve. And the moment you accept this hidden self of yours, believe me, there's a lot of prosperity and abundance coming your way. So accept whatever is happening today. Okay, again, if you see this card, the little one here, and this is somewhere coinciding for me. Inner child, allow me to give compassion. So work on your deepest needs. Again, that's an inner dark shadow. This is the deepest needs. So work on your deepest needs, work on your deepest feelings, go by what you feel you want to do, and see how you will flourish in your life. Today, if you have seen this card in this reading at the beginning of the day, then I would suggest that you can burn a pink candle, giving yourself self love and starting the day with beautiful, beautiful energies. I hope you all are resonating with the cards. As I said, if you can like and leave a comment, it would actually help me to see what other ways I can guide you people through my readings and through my other tips. God bless.